Hello viewers, in our tutorial I want to show you how to uninstall your ArcGIS from your desktop. Let's go. First of all, you go to your search engine, you search for ArcGIS 10.8.2. then once you open, you go to the menu, you right click it, go to uninstall. You install it, it will take you down to your program and future. When you go to your program and future, you right click it, uninstall and changes. Hold on for some minutes. This will pop up. You hold on, go to click ignore, go to remove, next remove. You hold on for some minutes. Let the process begin. Click OK. You hold on for some minutes. Click OK. You hold on for some minutes while it's loading. Say some patience. Please do it to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Can see it's all installing those files. Okay, yes, finish. Click on finish. Finish. Okay, you have finally been installed. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.